Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with Coco Shungson. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Affiliate is not a dirty word. There are 3 approaches to choosing the right program for you. Choose something that has a high demand. Choose something that you have a passion for. Combine the above 2 points so you will have a product that is in high demand and you are passionate about it. I personally think a combination of these approaches is the best. If you choose something that is in high demand, then there will be a market for the product or service. It is essential to have a market, otherwise you will find that no one will be interested in buying from you. The downside here, however, is when there is a high demand, there is also a lot of competition. If you choose something you are passionate about, then you'll have more fun and you'll be more passionate about what you are promoting. When you have something you can put your heart and soul into, you will generally do better than if you are promoting something you don't care about or know nothing about. Make a list of what you are passionate about. Then do a search on the keywords to see how many other people have this same interest. You can do this by using a keyword search. www.goodkeywords.com offer free software you can download. Use this to search for the information. Just type in the keyword and see how many results come up, i.e., how many people searched for those words over the last month. Then use your search engine to locate your affiliate program. You may decide to go with just one program. The ideal situation would be to find one program. Understand how it works, then branch out to include a few more that connect to your primary interest. Once you've understood what's involved in promoting your primary program, it will be only a little more effort to hook up with other programs and start increasing your monthly checks. You may also find that as you go along you will need to buy a few things, for example, web hosting and domain names. You may then see the value of adding these services to your affiliate list too. For example, once I found my primary program, I realized I had to advertise in order to get customers. I also discovered that I really did need my own website, even though I had acquired several free ones when I joined my affiliate program. So I learned all about web hosts and domain names and website design. As I went along, I picked up a few more affiliate programs. After much trial and error, I came to develop an understanding of the concept of organic search engine optimization. I loved the whole concept, so I added this to my list of programs too. I have also developed a deeper understanding and appreciation for how internet business works. How do I make an affiliate program work for me? The big thing is promotion. You will need to promote your affiliate products or services. When you join an affiliate program, you will usually be given 1 or more free websites and some links and banners. When someone clicks onto the links or banners and purchases the product or service, you will receive a commission. This is how affiliate programs work. Regardless of which program you are involved in, advertising and promoting your links and banners will become your number 1 priority. If you are not prepared for this, you will not be successful. It is that simple. There is no way around this. The best way to do this is by becoming educated in the right things to do. You have a choice of paying for advertising or not paying for advertising. A great place to start is with understanding how organic search engine optimization works and how to get it to work for you. This method of advertising is time-consuming to get set up if you do it manually, but once you're done, it will provide you with an endless source of free targeted traffic to your website. There are software programs you can buy that will get you set up if you're short on time. Unfortunately, the truth is that 95% of internet entrepreneurs make no money. There are lots of reasons for this. Some of the more serious and common reasons are that many people just don't understand how to promote. Many still don't even realize that they have to have their own websites. Many spend more money than they are comfortable with because they head down the road of paid advertising and they aren't in a position to afford this. KokoShunction.uk provide multi-tier, a multi-level affiliate tracking with up to 5 tiers. With the multi-tier affiliate tracking system, not only are you rewarded, you also get rewarded for encouraging other affiliates to join the affiliate program. We hope you will achieve your objectives. All the best to you. KokoShunction pays you to have fun. KokoShunction.net